Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Tony over at Homeowner Repair, and in this video I'm going to do an unboxing video of the Cen-Tech 4-in-1 jump pack. I happen to buy this from Harbor Freight, but what I'll do is I'll put a link in my description over to our Amazon store. I've got them in my Amazon store too if you don't happen to live near a Harbor Freight and you're in the middle of nowhere, or you just can't get out of the house and you need one because you're stuck. You can order one. Sometimes it's easier to sit back and wait for the stuff to arrive at your house. But I really needed one of these. They're good to have in the garage. You know, I got an old Jeep right here, ATVs, I got a lot of stuff going on, a riding tractor, riding lawnmower. And if you saw the video with Steve and I with the Kubota tractor, the thing was buried in a mound of snow. I had to use my Expedition to jump start the stupid tractor off my truck, which I cringed at because I didn't want to do it. You know, one little thing goes wrong and you can backfeed the truck and burn something out. So I actually bought Steve one of these, bought one for myself, so now we both have one, and I'll show you what's in the box. I'm going to check it out. Alright, so this jump pack we're unboxing, it's a Cen-Tech 4-in-1 portable power pack. It has an air compressor on it, power supply, work light, USB port for your phone, charge that in case the lights go out of your house or something. So let's take this out of the box and we'll see what it's all about. Here, there's an owner's manual, safety instructions, don't touch your tongue to the power port, don't want to get zapped, especially if you're in California. Here is the jump pack. It's bubble wrapped. So that's the jump pack, and it comes with these attachments right here. Let's see if I can see that. So looks like there's a power cord and some attachments for the air compressor on it. And it's a quick start guide, so it'll show you how to use it. That's basically it. This is all that's inside the box. This is how it comes when you take it out of the box. What I will do also is we'll do like a product review video on it. Click on the link in this video and you can check that out as well. So that's basically everything that was in the box. That's what to expect when you open the box, and that's everything that's included inside it. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.